Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today's unboxing video just arrived today from Singapore. This company is called Coup De Coeur, and their website is www.watch.sg. I'm going to try and release this video for tomorrow. Today is September the 29th. I'm wearing my Casio World Timer. I'm just going to slide this off the table to open it. It has shipping information on both sides of the package, so it'll be a little easier this way. Probably don't even need my knife, actually. So yeah, they reached out to me on Instagram because they saw my other Coup De Coeur video. That was a watch that I won from Watch Chris, and Peter C won that watch, and since then Peter's actually loaned in a couple watches, so it's kind of neat the connections you make in this hobby. So yeah, very cool. I'm gonna mark this a paid promotion. I think I get to keep this watch. I'm not entirely sure, but it is a ultra thin mechanical hand winding watch. Price on this $249, I believe. So yeah, let's check this thing out. The other watch I had from them was a dive watch, so this is kind of the opposite end of the spectrum. Come on. There we go. Yeah, this thing is really thin and really light. If I had to guess, it's got to be under 50 grams. Yeah, it's maybe even 40 grams. I did go on their website briefly, and I know it has a sapphire crystal. It has a seagull hand winding movement. I don't know. I'm assuming this is stainless steel. So it is a pressed on case back. And I might open this up just to see how the movement looks, because I really like the mechanical movements. It'd be nice if it was a display case back, but then it wouldn't be as thin. So I'm fine with that. Okay, so it does say 316L mechanical, 30 meter, and there's the website again. It kind of cracks me up. I mean, it's a good website, right? They sell watches, so watch.sg. Crown's really small on this. Come on. I want you to focus on the watch. There we go. So it does have a signed crown there. CD. Okay, so drilled lugs. That's an interesting choice for a dressy watch. It does have quick release spring bars too. Yeah, I'm really tempted to try and take this case back off. I don't know. We'll get through the review first, though. There'll be another video here with not really a review, but a full presentation. Okay, there we go. Got that back on. Let's wind this up. The crown's really small. And I believe this is a 38 millimeter diameter watch. So black hands, printed indices, printed minute track there. Roman numerals instead of Arabics. So yeah, looks like a nice little watch here. It's a pretty smooth sweep to that subdial. It is a a smaller hand, so you wouldn't notice it ticking quite as much. So, okay, let's get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video. Looks like a alligator patterned leather strap. The strap's real thin as well too, especially compared to this strap here. This is the Vario strap. Yeah, quite thin. Okay, let me zoom back out and we'll get this on wrist. I'm trying to think. I don't think I have any. I'm pretty sure I don't have any gold watches or any rose gold or. This isn't quite gold. I guess this would be rose gold. Oh yeah, now I'm remembering it's 6.8 millimeter thin, which is probably the thinnest watch in my collection, actually. Come on, get in there. Tight fit there. I don't like the way that looks with that end of the bracelet, end of the strap just hanging out in the wind there. So work that keeper down a little bit. Come on. There we go. Not quite my style, but you know, it's nice to have something different every once in a while. Let me know what you think of this watch. Again, it's $249. And I'll go over all the specs and everything in a future video. So that will conclude today's video. We can zoom out here. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Like the video if you've liked it. Leave a comment below. And as always, thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching. And I'll catch you on the next video.